I need to double check the. How you doing, James? Good morning.
Morning, man. Doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm doing good. Ready for another day to make some cash. Another day to take some cash.
I know that's right.
Either today's expense or we make cash today. Why is this not working? Hello? Replicanto. Yo, do you use Replicanto by any chance or no? You have no need for it.
I will be soon. I'm
How
looking at
come?
setting up some of those PA accounts. I mean,
Oh, you're gonna okay.
yeah, I'm gonna go.
Do you use funded accounts or no?
No, not yet, but I want to. Like, uh, I don't think I'd have any problem passing.
Yeah, I think the last if you already have a Nets or you already have your system, I don't think it should be a struggle to pass the exams. Or you can just dunk them, honestly, which is bad.
Nah, I feel like that would inspire bad trading habits. I don't want to do that.
Yeah. I mean, that's how I gain my edge, trading the tests the right way, like getting
Hmm.
like trading it like it's real money. That's how I gain a little bit of consistency. Why is it not working? I need to take the penny trade today. You remind me to take a penny trade? I always forget that shit.
I got you.
To make a beat. Are we off? Not
A
yet.
minute and 30 seconds.
There we go. Set up. Due problemi, una calamita. I wanna size up a little bit today. I'll see how it plays out with my head.
It size up.
Yeah, I wanna start doing 6 micros. I'll
Nice.
see how it plays out with my head. Una calamita.
Opening relatively flat. Want to see who takes control here off the open.
There you go. Alright, Tixer is opening relatively positive. ADD is positive as well.
Better feel.
Fucking cold.
Eee. Extremely light volume off the opening candle. It's
Are you ready?
interesting.
You see what the gap close is?
Yeah, NQ is trying to come into it right now. We have a very
FQ.
small gap, like 70.
Yeah, it's minimal. It didn't fill in the yes because of 3 ticks.
I didn't quite catch it yesterday. Were we ever able? Yeah, we did fill the gap yesterday. Okay.
Not in the ES though. We're like super shy of it.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, we're shy of it. Like we're like 2-3 points shy of it. That would have been a nice trade though. I don't know if we close the gap in the NQ.
Yesterday we did. Today we have not yet. Waiting for this 5 minute candle to close because we're really close to it. Like if it doesn't
Oh
right
shit, but
here,
the Nasdaq
buyers.
looks so weak. I mean, it
Yeah,
looks flat. Bro,
it does.
look at the Russell. Holy shit.
The Russell? What's the Russell doing?
Bro, look at the Russell.
Ah,
Bro, that's crazy. The Nasdaq is just light, just flat. Are you sure you want to
wow.
keep trading the Nasdaq?
Yeah, the RTY doing work right now. Mm, realistically, on the Nasdaq, I need to be at a minimum over 900, but further than that, I want to be over 910. 910, I feel like might give it a little bit of trouble. So if we are gonna move higher, I need to be over that. Um, short side, looking for lower highs under 870 right now. Breaking below 870 is gonna be key.
No volume though. Volume is relatively low. This thing looks very bullish.
The ES does?
Yeah,
Holy
yeah.
crap.
The
NQ
ES
lagging
lit.
again, man.
The internals look very bullish as well.
VIX is still hovering on that 1425 level.
Wait, BRB.
All right.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. We have a little bit of support here on the NASDAQ, 855, potential for it to bounce off of that. If not, below that, I got 830. So, trying to see what we get out of this. We also got pre-market low right here at 845. So, got a little maze to work through to the downside if it does want to go that way. Do have a little bit of absorption coming through on the 850 level. Believe we had the same thing yesterday off the open. Interesting. See if you get this rejection off 870 back to the upside. All right, well, this is interesting. We got 40 points of sell side unanswered right now by the buyers. We did have that little pop back up to 70, but right now it's looking very weak. Here we go. Here we go. $870 push failing again. See if we get it. short here in Q, looking for lows. Targeting about 50 or so. Stop with a close above 70. Beautiful. Popping out here, just in case. Just in case. I don't know. Spidey senses are tingling right now. Not really feeling sell-off material yet. We'll be back in below 47 though if we do get that push. I do like that push through pre-market low. If we get down there. If we don't, just gonna let it go. Yeah, nah, that's what I kind of figured down there at the 850 level. We got a lot of like a lot of buy side volume, man. 850 is gonna be tough.
What do you have here? Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I do have a trend line here
So
on
I
the tick
left
chart
for
for the NQ. Huh? What's up?
I left for like 5 minutes and nothing has happened. Wow.
I mean, not a whole lot. We broke some levels and we held some levels. So I mean, like sellers are trying to get it down, but I don't know, man. Like VIX is coming back through that 1425, so I think buyers are gonna try and step in here. Like I was saying, I do have this trend line on the tick chart coming through about 1867. Let's call it 1870. Potential for a break upside. Might get a push back to the VWAP on the NQ. Like we're messing with weekly value area here. So anything below 900 is technically bearish, but I don't know. I'm not seeing a sell off yet. Like this 850 is trying to hold hard. All right, I just got popped in there through 47 short. Beautiful. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is what I was looking for.
Sell-off. Nice little sell-off.
I want to see it continue though. I don't want to see it like just reverse on a dime right here through like pre-market low, kind of stiff
We're
arming
hitting
me right now.
We're hitting aggressive support on the ES, so that might cause a little reaction. Dornegiscopo.
Like, yeah, it looks like I'm gonna get tagged out for a 5-point loss here.
But you didn't get T1?
They got me. Nah. I had my I had a limit order at 47 because like I wanted to see if we got a pop. I mean a breakdown through pre-market low, but it like I was saying, it held like it stiffed army right there. So just wanted to give it a shot, just in case. I mean, like sellers are in control, but they're not like.
You still get left behind.
Yeah, I just didn't want to. Watch a 50-point move unfold in front of my face and then not have anything to do with it. I wanted to participate. But now I want to see a lower high under pre-market lows here, like 45 on the NQ. If we can't get that, I'm not sure. Like this, it's it just doesn't feel like a sell-off. It feels like one of those days that Franco's always talking about, where we have that little dip and rip. So still cautious to the downside.
I don't know, internals look very bullish. So I don't know. I wanna get in long in this thing, but in a good location.
This might be it, bro. Like, is ES on lower day right here?
No.
I mean, not lower day. Pre-market low.
No, not even close. That's
Oh,
why. That's
wow,
my
okay.
location.
Wow.
That's my location for longs. Pre-market low.
I do like a squeeze through 60. I got a buy order out for 60.25 here. Want to see? Oh, just got filled. Wow. Okay. See if we get that rip up here. Breaking through that trend line on the tick chart. See if we can get through 70. 70 is gonna be like the judge here. Judge, jury, and executioner. Judge, jury, and executioner.
Okay. Doing this thing long, maybe a VWAP retest.
Hmm.
You're in it long.
Yeah, I'm long NQ here through 60. Getting a nice little push up here. See if we can't get through 70. 70, I'll be T1 break even. Targeting 80, 85 here. We're in that area just before that 900. Got some thick boy sellers up there at 900. Advanced decline. What a rip. What a rip. Sellers are stepping back in here. Interesting. Stopped out both ways.
Yeah, do you hear my YouTube? No, right? I don't have the YouTube on.
Nah. I don't hear anything from you.
I don't have YouTube on. You don't have it on, right? Or do you have volume on it?
No.
I
I don't have
it
any
open.
sound coming out of my system at all.
Could it be? I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's.
I don't know. There's a feedback. Let's see.
Not sure where that could be coming from.
Has it been happening the whole time?
I mean, I hear it when neither one of us is talking. So like it's something. I
So
think it's
you
something
hear
coming
it
out of
on
his
the
computer.
live, right? You hear it on the
Yeah.
live stream.
Yeah.
I don't know what it could be. I don't even have it on.
So NQ, we're coming into 15-minute support here at the 840 level. Hourly demand zone around 820, between 820 and 835. Might give this long another shot here. We're coming back to that trend line on the tick chart.
I think the VWAP retest, it's not too crazy.
Looking for a squeeze through 70 here. Buyers should be stepping in. Sellers are serious, man. What? This might just be a chop. It might be chop city, man. I don't
100%.
know.
Could this finally be the fucking dip?
I'm looking for it. Trying to find Elsa. All right. Into 20. Absolutely beautiful.
Are you fully out? Or you gonna run it?
Yes, sir. We do have some extreme previous volume from earlier in the week around the 785 level. 780, 785. So it's going to be interesting to see what we get out of this.
What was it?
Yep, kind of figured. Glad you figured it out though. That's always nice to have. We got here. Got a potential support zone around the 812, 815 level from yesterday. When we were trying to break out and get through yesterday, coming back into that. So might be buyers sitting here waiting at that level. And just below that, we have 800. So you already know about 800 from yesterday. Like 800 was
Is that
800
yesterday's
was
Saturday?
no,
Is that
no.
yesterday's Saturday?
It was
Alright.
just like it was a consolidate like that little chop zone that we were in yesterday before we got the breakout. Like we're coming right back into that. So yeah. Which is again why we have so much volume in this area. It's like yesterday it was wild. Like the entire pre-market was right there in that level. I'm actually gonna play it upside. I'm long here through 17. I feel like we get this pop off at 810 right here. Looking for scalps though, nothing huge. Looking for like 25, maybe 30 out of it. We do have news here in about a minute. Little inventory, something. See if I can find it. Yeah, I believe it's yellow folder, U.S. business inventories. Nice. Let's see if we can't get the little five a 10 pointer here. Little ripper-rooney. All right, taking one out here at 25. Let's see if we can't get 30, 35 out of it. Got a little micro bull flag here on the tick chart. See if we can't get up to 30. Still looking for 30. Break even on the rest. There you go. That's why you scale out. Sheesh. Really thought we'd get a little bounce up to like at least 40, 45. Like I was trying to, front run it, but it's not. I don't know. Like we do have a, a downtrend line on the 1 minute chart from the open, but really, I mean, we're making an effort to hold 10, like 8-10 right here, but like where's okay, we got a little dragonfly doji here. I might hop back in here. That looks decent. All right, yeah, I'm long here. Trying to see if we get back up to 30, 35. We might just be in an accumulation zone, man. Like
I don't know.
everything
I
on
don't like anything so far.
my chart is saying sell off, but volume is saying like this is a buy zone. Look at the internals. Like internals are screaming buy. We're not
I don't
really.
like anything so far.
Is the ES just flat right now?
No, it has some nice volatility, but we really haven't gone anywhere. Yeah, so basically flat. Like we have some nice volatility, but it's just no clear direction.
Yeah, NQ selling off here. Got through that 810 level.
Expedia members.
We got 800 and 790 just below that. Potential for support. Also 775 on the NQ. This is yikes. We got a lot of levels in here. Liquidity grab. Here's that rip I was looking for earlier. Bastards. See if we don't get a retest of the 810 level. Try and hop back in long again. All right. I'm in here. Got another little micro bull flag on the tick chart. Let's see if we get back up to 30, 35. There we go. Out of one here. Got the last one. Looking for 35.
I don't know. Today's pretty difficult. No,
Yeah, I was
here.
peeping the ES. The ES looks kind of flat, man. Like the NQ,
Yeah, there's no direction on the ES.
right?
We're going nowhere so far. Quindi non pregano più. Nothing.
Nice. Nice. There's 30. We get 35. 35. Ah! All right, out there. Like absolutely gorgeous. Perfect.
I don't get this, bro. What are we doing?
Setting up for Friday, man.
Should I just take cash today?
I mean, like looking at the ES, maybe, unless you wanna take your hand at the RTY.
No, no, no.
Let me see what the RTY is doing. I mean, it had that nice move off the open, but now it's kind of, I don't know. Got to keep an eye on this 40 level on the NQ. We are coming through that trend line from off the open, so if we get a close over like 44 here, potential for a reversal. That's another thing too, bro. Like the NQ selling off, that might be holding the, SPY ES might be trying to run up, and then NQ is kind of holding it back. So if they both get in sync, then you might get what you're looking for.
Can we get a little nice double top on the ES?
What about oil? Can you like micro
Yeah.
oil micro? Is that
What?
reasonable for like instead of ES trade oil?
No, I don't think I would trade oil.
I think
Is it
micro
is it
oil is like
volatile?
um I wouldn't say it is. It's pretty pretty much like I guess it's like a mix between the ES and the RTY, but it doesn't. It's about. I think it's $10 a point, or maybe I might be wrong. It might be $10 a tick. I might be. I might be telling you some bad shit. I'm sorry. Hold on.
Mhm. I mean, the ES is 12.5 a tick. The micro, the mini.
Only reason I was asking is because that shit's trending, bro. Like that's stair step pattern right there. Like it's holding. Even its consolidation pattern is bullish. That thing is rocking right now. I might go trade it to be honest. NQ's kind of licking trash cans right now. All right, so yeah, it is $10 a tick. So you'd be like whatever your maximum risk is with 3 contracts on the ES, you just want to maybe 3 to 5 ticks, so $50 max loss, something like that, and then trade your direction. But I mean, just an option. Like if ES is ever ass, like
No, yeah,
so.
obviously I cannot just trade the ES.
But yeah, looking at the chart, I don't see why you couldn't get away with like 3 ticks, like 3 tick stop on oil. Like it doesn't look that volatile. Like it's 60, 50. Yeah, it's like 3 to 5 ticks, something like that. And I mean, dude, like some of these moves I'm seeing is like 100, 150. So that's like 3 to 5 to 1 you could get out of these moves. They're not bad. Looks very decent. NQ still under VWAP here. We are getting that push through 45 though, so that's nice. I mean, at least it's making an attempt to come back up. I still think 70 is going to give it a run for its money. Sellers might be defending that level. Got a couple of wicks off of that. Like I said earlier, though, realistically, I don't think I can be. I don't think I could be
Mm.
looking for like large targets, anything below 900. Have to be scalps for me on the upside under 900.
This looks like it wants to rip.
Yeah, that hourly demand really stepped up between like the 815, 820 level. So getting a really nice push off of that. Maybe get a trend line retest here down to like 825 on the NQ. I don't know. See what it's trying to do here. Might try and hold pre-market low. We just got back above it. Maybe we're getting a retest of that.
We'll take a piss.
All right. All right. We get a push up to 875 or so. Turn that into support. Looking for longs, baby. Especially with that VWAP right there.
Ooh. Ooh. Nasty reject.
Yes, it is. Wow.
Nasty, nasty, nasty.
Yikes.
That's it. That's it. Hallelujah. I'm just looking for the pullback, bro. Honestly, I'm not trying to play some shorts.
What do you have on ES right now
What do you mean?
for a pullback?
Like 20, 20-ish, 20-ish, 5,020, 50, 20.
All
I
right.
don't know. That will be my pullback. My ideal pullback, honestly.
Yeah, that looks way worse on the ES than it does on the NQ. Like I thought it was a pretty solid seller candle on the NQ, but that ES candle, whoo.
It looks worse, right?
Yeah, it's almost twice the size, man. She.
But it doesn't look like it wants to go. Spiders are just fucking. Hey. A little shorty short.
I'd be looking for like 25 or 27 to hold right here. That pivot high off of what was it, the first 10 minutes or so into the open, that wick up there. There's potential for that to hold. And we just had that hammer candle down there close at 27, got bought all the way back up. If that fails, it might try and turn around. All right, in Q, I do like down here at the like 20 to 25 level for this retest on the trend line. So if we do get down there, I will be taking a buy off that tool. Oh, here we go.
Damn. Yeah, bro. Those hammers like that, bro. They don't fucking play around. Holy. Holy. Let's see if sellers can actually drive this thing down. Looks just like a pullback.
He won break even on on the long. I really want to see us get back through 40 though. I do not want to see us struggle at 40. Struggle at 40 is probably gonna reverse back down.
Maybe you can play a double bottom. Thank you.
Um, where where would be the first bottom? What
On
time?
the
Well,
five
yeah.
minute,
What time? Oh, 5 minute.
mm,
5 minute. Damn. Yeah. Let me
the
check that.
17, the 1800. 1800.
Not quite. It's close. It's close, but we didn't
Yeah,
quite
this
make one.
thing is
Woo!
so
Here we go through
bullish,
40,
bro.
man. Let's go.
This thing is so bullish, bro. Any little pullback is getting bought up.
Gorgeous. Out. Out. Brother Vince. Desiano breaking retest, baby.
Oh my lord. Yeah, that was nah. How do you buy that, bro?
A little different though, because he uses supply and demand, and that was a little trend line retest. But I mean, see, woo, still a breaking retest. I'll take it. That was nice. This 855 level, like that's at 15-minute resistance right here, like the 855. If we get through 55 into call it 880 or so, yeah, 880. Like I was saying earlier, like that 75, 80 area, we could turn that into support. Definitely potential for a little ripperoonie upside. Got to get there first.
Again, bro. The buyer absorption that area at 30, 31 ish. But it doesn't look like it's gonna hold.
Oh, at 25, 26 level on the yes, man. Damn. I wish I could
Yeah.
trade two things at the same time.
I mean, you can.
No, I
So,
can't. I really I struggle with like multitask orders. Like if I don't know. I know everything's automated like with the ATM strategy or whatever, but like if I'm looking at one thing, I'm not really focused on the other, and then I don't know. That would be kind of toxic for my personality. I don't know. I think it would. Maybe I could practice it and make it work, but I don't know. I think it would tear me a new one.
my mouse just died.
Time to whip that charger out.
Time to whip it out. Silent bro, que me manda flying. A su ahora por dale. Here comes a Zeloff. Little rip. Let
Wow.
her rip. Or we're gonna get like a little the aggressive bar and then aggressive bars to the upside, just keep getting bought up. The thing is that those buyers are gonna get trapped. If this thing gets to break below 25, 50, 25, then it's not gonna be pretty. Not gonna be bonito. Tu mi fai stare male, tutte le ore vengono di fumare, mi fa del male. Tu mi fai stare male, tu mi fai stare
Interesting. That is very interesting. NQ got stuffed at that 855 level.
All
Things
right, let's see.
entering a sell-off now.
There he goes. There he
Wow.
goes. Finally, finally.
All right, now we're getting close to that double bottom you were talking about on the NQ. If we head down to like the 800, 805,
Yeah.
so I got my eye on that, but honestly, we got some increase in volume here, so this might get
Yeah,
a.
that's why. I want to
That's
be
what I'm looking
careful with
for.
it.
We break through that 800, turn that into resistance, get a lower high. Oh
Gotta
yeah,
be careful
oh
with
yeah.
it. Here it comes, baby.
Else is on the way. $15-minute resistance popped in and has not looked back. That 860 level, man. We are in the spider web of spider webs on the NQ though. I don't know about the ES, but holy shoot, man. We got so many freaking levels on the NQ here. Might be getting a higher low double bottom off that 810 level from earlier.
Yeah, it looks like you're right.
Just had a natural gas reading come through. Might be a little spike in volatility here. Not expecting much, unless you're trading natural gas.
Hmm.
Yeah.
We saw how we got on the gap close. Yes.
You said it tried to close the gap?
We haven't even closed it yet.
Yeah, I didn't think so. It's been kind of that kind like on the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, ES looks like it's bear flagging on a higher time frame, like maybe like a 15 or a 30. I don't know if you have those pulled up, but the 5-minute chart that does not look great to the upside. Uh, that looks like a bear flag on a higher time frame, at least on a 5-minute chart. And you just came through that trend line, tried to push back up through it, and rejected off of it. So like that 50-23 level, um, you might get some downside, like acceleration here to the downside on ES.
Nice, 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 nice.
You short right now?
No.
Oh, but that's what you're looking for?
I'm looking. I wanted this thing to go down so I can get a better entry.
Got you.
Gotta play the range. Not every day is a trending day. I'll probably get fucked on the trending days, that's for sure. Because I only fade, but.
Come on, man.
What?
Those trend days, man. Okay, so
Those trends are
here's my thing,
beautiful,
right?
but how do I
Like
jump into us? Like, I don't know.
the way I see it, like we're kind of, how do I put this? like for your
Okay.
range days and consolidation days, like those are our. I mean, that might be your bread and butter, right? Like that might be like you take the support, take it to resistance, like boom,
Mm-hmm.
boom, like that's your thing.
Mm-hmm.
But
It works like a
for
charm.
like the way I see it is like the range, volatility, spiky, choppy days, or like the like keeping your head above water days, and then like the trend days, bro. Like you catch a nice trend day, that's where you get your like, you could get a 10-hour day out of that, man. You could
No,
make
no,
it
no,
in
100%,
right,
100%,
like oh man.
100%.
That's why
But then,
I'm
how do
trying to take
you?
your stuff and put it into my kit, like all the
Okay.
like support and resistance, and then like range days for range days, so I can, you know, like my weaknesses.
The
I'm
thing
trying
is,
to,
how do you know when it's a trending day? That's the thing. That's the
like I
difficult part.
said, bro, it'll slap you. I promise you, you Mike Tyson will pop up, and bing, bing, like you. It just like when you see on the opening candle, like for the
Oh
ES,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, like yeah,
If you
hundred
get
percent.
like a 5 or an 8 pointer off the open, that's where your spidey sense should be like, hey, hold up,
Yeah, yeah,
this is
that
out of the
100%.
normal.
That 100%. That always like triggers. That's always like a trigger. Like, yeah, you're right with that one.
And then you got like a supporter or resistance just above or just below, and it comes straight, like smashing straight through it. And then you come back up for a retest, and as soon as you get to that motherfucker, like it's just selling back off or buying back up. Like you get that solid wick off that, whatever level you got on there. You see that off that level, like that's an entry for me. Like if I see that, I'm like, okay, this might be something. But a day like today, I would say today is pretty much an average day. Like it's not neutral chop. It's kind of like selling off chop, and then you get a little spike here and there. Like I would say this is probably like an average day. But if the first 3 to 5 candles on the NQ was one candle, and we made that like what was that, like 25 points, 95 to 50. All right, so that was like 40 points. If we had that in 1 or 2 candles, then that's where, you know what I'm saying? Like that's your alerts. Like you just,
The Spidey senses.
yes, sir. Little radar pops up. And, okay, what do we have? Might have something special. Did you see the CPI candle from yesterday on the ES?
Yeah, that show was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. Was it yesterday or was it Tuesday?
The other day, like whenever it was. Yeah, was it
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday? It might have been Monday. I think it might have been Monday. Was it
CPI
Monday?
didn't. I think it came out on Tuesday.
Okay.
I think it came out
Oh
on
yeah,
Tuesday.
yeah, yeah. No. I keep forgetting. I'm looking at
Yeah.
yesterday on the chart, and I keep forgetting.
Oh shit! Yeah, we
Thursday
did bounce.
already. Dude. This week
We-
flew by, man.
Yeah,
God.
bro, it's crazy. That is crazy.
Yeah, the ES, bro. That like we broke that trend line. If I would say if ES fails to get back through like 50-20, yesterday's high essentially, like that 50-23, 50-24, you might want to give it that extra point. But if it fails to get back through that upside, I think we're due for another leg down. It's probably trying to get to yesterday's close. The NQ is pretty much doing this, like not the same pattern, but like the same thing as far as price action goes. Like we've been consolidating at the low for a minute, like near the low. Get this 810 breakdown side, like 810, 800. We get below 790. Elsa, baby, looking for Elsa, holding out for that.
How about buy a 1650? Right above the gap close. Yeah, we're ready for it, baby.
Yeah, yesterday's gap, bro. Golly, man. I know somebody bought it. Like obviously somebody bought it. That thing was that was nice. Pretty much filled it, came right back up through it, never looked back, just straight up, straight up. All right, let's see what we get here. See if we get some volatility here until 11 o'clock. I want to see us. I don't know. Like we could either because we did get above that trend line. So technically, we have bullish and bearish consolidation right here. So it could break either way on the NQ. If we do get below 810, 790, then of course I'm looking for downside. But um, if we pop back up through like, you know, overnight low, get through 45, back up into that 60 level, as you can see, like the 55, 60, we do have a couple of wicks, couple of sell spikes right there. So we're looking for that for upside, and of course 810, 790 for downside. Got some nice consolidation here though. So this move might ramp up. Look at that advanced decline, brother. Golly.
So we're not gonna get the cap close, huh?
Said not gonna get it.
Yeah, doesn't look like it.
Oh yeah, yes, made it back through that 23, huh? Yeah. So, I mean, if you get a push up into like 50, 27, and then a pull back into 25, that's potential. Like looking for a support hold or something like that. Potential there for a long, but I don't know. Like uh, that's a tough one. We're kind of doing the same thing on the ES that we are on the NQ. Like we're
Is it?
pretty stiff
Do we
consolidation
get a
pattern
double
right here.
bottom that I was talking about? Oh no, we get a higher low double bottom.
Yeah, the NQ gave a higher low, and then I think I see what you like. Were you talking about ES earlier on the double bottom? Because I see exactly.
No, I was talking about the NQ double bottom,
Uh,
but it never got to the double bottom. It made a higher low. It never really made a good double bottom. The ES, I think it did make a double bottom. Yeah, it did. Take it at 20. Yeah, so far nothing. Nothing so far. Alrighty.
Mm, I don't know, man. Volume's kind of volume's kind of easing up. So we get a little pop out of here. Might come back.
Nothing, 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 nothing. Top City, baby.
Chop City.
Top City.
Dollar's on a pretty serious climb here. Got a little volume spike here coming through on the NQ. Really got to get through 60 though. 60 upside, 90 downside. Don't know if we have enough volatility to do it. Uh, Trying. Woo, she trying. Nice, really nice push here.
Are you in it long?
No, still waiting for that 60. Looking for a higher low, higher low dip over 60, but still a nice. I mean, like that was pretty nice. Pretty much from 810 up to 845. Slow grind, consolidation, but making an effort to get up there. That 850 seller is still here though. There's it's just stacking up like 850. It's tough, man.
La mia ex me escribe. Bro, I'm gonna be honest. The NQ doesn't look pretty. Like, th- ah, it's just flat, right? The NQ is just flat, right?
Yeah,
It's
but
making an ascending wedge though. It's in a wedge position on the 5 minute.
I think it's making an attempt at expansion though. Like if we get through 60, I feel like we're about to get a little squeeze out of this. Maybe maybe get up to 55, get a pullback into overnight low at 45 level. Yeah, get a little ripperoonie. Trying to see what we're
Little
getting out of here.
ripperoonie.
Ripperoonie, man. Like we get through that 55, 60 range where the magic starts. Oh, she's trying.
There he goes. There he goes.
So that 850 seller is gonna be underwater here soon. See if he starts to let go of his position. I get something. Only question is, where does he have his stop? Because that's where I'm trying to get long.
So trying to jump in this thing. Probably, I don't know.
That pull back into overnight low. Let's see if that holds. Get a little push off of that. Okay.
She doesn't want to play
Okay.
today. She doesn't want to play today.
Wow. Coming right into this trend line from the previous low here. Around that 830, 832 level. See if we break it or if we hold it. I imagine we hold it. I mean, it's trying to start an uptrend here, but like you said, might be doing that ascending wedge, man. I don't know, man. It could go either way. It could be an ascending wedge, or it could be a descending triangle, kinda like. The only thing is, we had that little dip there between like the 1030 to 1035 area, like that. But it held the wedge or triangle, whatever it's trying to do. Like, and we definitely got resistance up at 55 because that's like the fifth time that it rejected off of there. So if we fail to break 55.60 upside, I'll be looking for downside through that wedge. Triangle, whichever one we're getting out of it. Looks like it's gonna try and give 55 another shot.
Saremorik. Here it comes. Here comes a squeeze, baby. Sold cash. I'm staying cash today. Best decision I could make. No clear. No clear entries for me today.
Dollar looks
Didn't
like it's
find
finding
anything I
resistance
like.
up here. Might get a pullback out of this. It's 104, 104.4, 104.385.
Non ci per becchi perché saremo ricchi per. Saremo ricchi per sempre, ricchi per sempre. Ma forse no, niente si va per fare niente. Oggi scrivo una canzone uguale.
There is another rejection off that 850 level.
It's gonna eventually it's gonna pop. Eventually
Yes,
it's gonna.
indeed.
So many knocks on the doors, eventually gonna open it.
Might be it right here. See if we get about what, 830. Get that 830 break downside. Getting tighter and tighter though. 830 and 850. It was 810 to 860 earlier. Look like she's trying to break, man.
No, to the downside.
Yes, sir.
Little pullback.
I don't know. That's a little retest right there on that 38 level. Oh, yep. Here she goes. Woo! 830 breaking here. If we get some continuation, might be a false break. Ah, yeah. Shorts are hitting back right there at 830. Got room down to about 810. See if we get there and get through it from earlier. VIX is starting to pop up too, and dollar as well. Damn. Really thought dollar was gonna fade back down a little bit right there, but continuing to the upside.
Ma io per te morire. No entry yet. No entry yet. I feel like if the NQ keeps the lower, the higher low,
Mhm.
we're eventually gonna end up squeezing, breaking the VWAP to the upside. You see how it's a trend over there? You see how we're
Yeah,
trending? On the
for
5 minute, I
sure.
don't know if you have the 5 minute open.
I sure do.
Yeah, we have like an ascending what is it called? Ascending
I'm trying to see it from both sides though. Like we were calling out earlier, we do have that higher low double bottom, but now we
Alright.
have a lower high double top. So if we come back through this 810 level, like shit might actually get real.
Yeah, if we break that 810 then 100%. There it goes.
Coming right into it right now. Moment of truth. Ooh, it's gonna speed up.
Wow.
Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wee, wow. Very nice.
Whoa. No. All right, so we broke the today's low finally in the ES. I don't know about the AQ yet. It's about
NQ
to.
is right at the low right now. We just
Oh,
got through it. Just
new
got through it.
lows. Congratulations. Is it gonna keep the momentum to the downside?
That's the question, man. We came straight into that 790 level and
Bro,
got a
not
mean reversal off of it, like straight
no gap
into it.
close yet, bro. That is pretty frustrating. I'm ready to play the gap close, honestly.
Is that where the ES is at right now? The gap close.
We're about to, but it's not.
NQ's trying to bounce here.
We're 2 points away from it. I mean, we were 2 points away from the gap close. Not even 1.5.
I don't have a gap on the ES. I don't know why. Where's
It's
the
15.25. 10.25.
50-25?
15.25. 15.25.
Oh, oh.
You see it?
Nah. I got yesterday's close at 1750.
17.50. That's weird. Is it a day after? Is it the adjustment? Is it the adjustment? You know how we close at 6 as a 4, and then we have the adjustments to 4:15. Is it that?
Um
Is it 4:15 or 4 o'clock?
nah, I use 6.
6 what?
The open. The open
Oh,
at
it's still 6 p.m.
yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
To 6?
Yeah. Cause I mean, technically futures don't close until 6 cuz like I don't know how to explain it. Like of course you have up until like that 4:59, then you got that hour that futures are closed, right? And then like
Yeah. The
the
adjustments
the
when they
market,
settle.
yeah, exactly. So after the settlement, that's like the opening of that candle is what I use for.
Oh, okay. So your close is 17.50 on the ES?
Yeah.
Oh, so already closed that gap. I mean, and it tapped it, and we're sort of reacting off there.
Look at Frank. Are you short, Franco?
What?
He
Like a
said,
short?
"Oh baby, oh baby." Wow, that VIX is serious right now, man. That thing is looking mean. Oh, ES is letting go of it right here,
John Fury
man.
the fighter. We have John Fury the fighter in the chat. You know who John Fury is?
I know Nick Fury.
Yeah, I mean I think Wait, Nick Fury? Are you talking about the guy from the Avengers? Are you talking about the Avengers? Oh, Nick Fury.
I'm tired of these motherfucking snakes on this motherfucking plane. Sam L. Jackson, man.
I like this. I like this a lot. I like
Are
this
you
reaction
still
right
looking
here.
long or are you looking short now? Is your
Yeah,
bias?
I'm still looking long. By the pullback and hope for the best. What am I gonna do? Buy sell at the low day, bro? I don't know. We can get more downside, but I don't know. So that's not my style of trading. Buy a low day.
My opinion, any low or high under yesterday's close, that's a
Indication.
that's a downside move. Like say ES sells off to like 50-10, 50-12, somewhere in there, and then we come right back up into yesterday's close. Shit, even 19, you could give it to 19. That like that Collins consolidation right there. We come back up into 19 and we sell off out of that. Now if we rip up through 19 and we go back up to like 21 or something, then that's a different story. But if we continue to sell off and then we come back up into like 17 to 19, and then it kind of bases like like doesn't go anywhere above 19, we sell off again. That's I'd be looking for a short out of that. Like NQ's trying to bear flag again right here, but it's also a little oversold. So I'd be expecting to bounce back into like 810. If we get a bounce back into 810, ES will probably do the same thing, have a little bounce back up to
810.
exactly what I was just talking about for the ES. And that's where we got to see. We got to see if it tries to sell off from that level.
No, it's valid here.
All right, I am taking this short on the NQ. Stop above 810. See if we get this break back down to like 790 or so. Woo! Come on, give it to me. Give it to me.
Are you in a short?
Yes, sir. Looking for a breakthrough 800. Just trying to
Come
hold
on,
it though.
Elsa.
And they're buying 800. Yep, trying to flag. Trying to flag here. Looks like we're coming back through 810. Seller stepping in. It's a battle. It is a battle. Nice. Oh man, if this reverses back down, this might be a nice little move right here.
Man, that got close. Maybe it was a good entry.
That
Maybe.
whole candle just got stuffed. Come on, give me that sell off. Where's that sell off? Where's Elsa?
You want to play the song,
No, you're gonna get him
or
strike.
you want Sam Smith? What do you want?
Sam Smith,
Elsa?
yo, if Sam Smith comes on, I'll get automatically stopped out.
You just close it. Damn.
Damn, they got me right there with that spike. I think they are buying it up. Think you have the play, man. Did you get filled? Are you long?
No, bro. I had an entry before the gap closed, but I don't know. I hesitated like a bitch. Maybe we could get another entry right now.
Damn, the
I'll
whole
wait for
camp.
it.
Wow, to the tick, bro. They literally just got like wow.
You got stuck out to the tape.
They got me to the tick, and now
That
it's
sucks.
reversing back down. It's
That
all good.
sucks.
I'm looking for another entry if I get one for like 805, 800. See if we come back through 800 to the downside. It's kind of starting to look like a buy side move though. Buyers are stepping in. If we get that break through 800 though. Bro, that dollar is I on like that shit. I don't know. That thing is looking steep right now to the upside. All right, 810. I want to see a rejection here off of 810, and I'll be short. What we get here? Looking for a break of the previous candle body low. All right, I'm back in here short. Let's see if we get this sell back down to like 790 or so. Woo! Come on, speed it up. Acceleration. Looking for acceleration.
Come on, give me my entry.
Damn,
Come
these
on.
buyers at 800, man. They're not playing around. Feel like if we cut through 800 though, this thing's going like straight down to 790. Just got to get through it. Just cutting away at it right now. Here we go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. 800 trying to hold strong, man. Moving my stop to break even here. I want to see 800 break. This thing is doing. I'm not messing around with this. Thing looks like it wants to pop back up.
It looks like it wants to fucking rally. Yeah, I pussied out with my entry, bro. I should have left it at the gap close entry. Oh,
Get through 800. Let it go. Nope. Break even. Still buying it. so odd, man. There's so many buyers on the tape, but like this 810, 815 level is still holding strong. Got a little micro channel going on here now.
Ooh. Woo. Woo.
Yeah. Might be long through 810 here. Want to see what kind of volume steps in on this move. Breaking a trend line here on the tick chart. All right, yeah, I'm long. I'm long here. See if we could just move back up to 825 or so. Get a little squeeze, baby. Nice. Very nice. All right, got one out there at 20. Targeting 27.
Ooh.
Woo! Woo!
Ooh.
You are not joking. Low of day? Question mark?
No, they.
Come on. Looking for 5 more points. All I need. Ah, they got me break even on the second contract. Bro, what is that 1 hour chart, man? Like that. Yikes. Honestly, looking like a bear flag, man. Like an hourly bear flag. That's pretty big.
Yeah, we could get a little dip and then more upside. Or then we just fucking flush.
Yeah, I think that's why 850 is holding up so strong, because like it's literally piecing together a bear flag on the hourly, and then if we break below like wow 790, there you go. That's wow.
Holding where?
Like 790. Remember the other day, and I was like, damn, the whole overnight was like the hourly, the whole overnight was like in the same range. Like that's
Mm-hmm.
that's that 790 level. So that's why it's trying to hold so hard. Because if we lose that, then we're back into the bear structure, bear trend.
Dentro de la mia testa. Yeah.
Trying to get that push back up into 40. Oh man. break even was too tight by 2 points. Could have held all the way to target on that second contract.
Oh yeah, are you up like 2 hour for the day? 3 hour?
1.5. I took a L back in the 11:15 area when I got short down there off the 8:10.
Yeah, I think you were short at the market open, I think. Right?
Yeah,
You were
that
buying.
was real nice. That was a nice trade. And then my can't remember the second one I got in there, but like it was either 948 ish or 950 something. Yeah, 953, 954, something like that. Those were beautiful. And then we got into Chop City, so had a little bit of turbulence, but doing all right considering the type of day that it was. So I'm
Yeah,
happy with it.
that's good. I think I'm gonna call it a day. No trades for me
And
today.
yeah, I think I'm ready to shut her
Price action
down.
was there, but location was not. Yeah, so pretty much that's honestly how I trade, bro. Like, if my setup is not there, then I won't take it. I took my setup yesterday, a nice 11 pointer. So that's how I play it out. I should have gotten the gap close, but shoulda, woulda, coulda. You know, but it is what it is. All right, bro. Take care. I don't know if we're still live, but if we are still live, then everyone take care. Stay
Yeah, I think
safe, and
so.
see you guys tomorrow.
You as well, brother. Take it easy.
Bye
Catch you
bye.
tomorrow. Everybody take it
Yes,
easy. Be
sir.
careful trading. Have a good evening.
Bye bye.
Later.